before I started trading with City Index, I pretty much had to save up enough money for me to actually trade properly. But in the meantime, I was using demo account pretty much like you are now.
You saved up to do like YouTube and that then?
Yeah, I saved up the money that I made from YouTube, and I also took money out of Trading 212 just to fund my City Index account.
Because you started off doing Trading 212, didn't you?
Yeah. The problem I had with that is it's not made for day trading or scalp trading like we were doing today.
Yeah.
And there's not really a good guidance around how to make money using Trading 212. It's all just long-term investing.
Yeah.
And no one can really predict where the market will head in the future. But as a day trader, you have a lot of indicators telling you where the stock may be heading within a few seconds.
Because that's what I was thinking, like, obviously, like, I would be working and stuff, so, I've just got, like, an income coming in. I would probably want to do, like, trading, like, part-time to begin with.
Yeah.
And obviously, with my work, I can decide when I set my lunch breaks and stuff.
Oh, so you're pretty much in a good position to day trade part-time as well. Yeah.
To do that, so
yeah, it's not like you're working outside and you're forced to stay at a specific place and be 100% focused on the other job. But for you, you could take a break for 1 hour, half an hour, and then day trade.
That's the thing. Because with my job as well, my job is a data analyst. I look at like accounts and stuff from like, it could be potentially banks and all that kind of stuff, and like companies.
Yeah.
So when it comes to certain companies, I'm not allowed to trade with them if I'm working on their work. I do have to be careful with what I trade, but I'm only on a demo account anyway.
I mean, if you're going to day trade, it's not like you're holding a stock for the long term. You're only trading the volatility. So it's, like 1 minute chart, that's not going to necessarily would be affected by the news or the data you found in a company.
Yeah. Because what I would essentially like to do is get to the point where make it equivalent to my current, like, what I make in a day kind of thing.
Yeah.
So say, like, when I trade, I make the same or even more amount of money from what I actually do in a day from when I'm working.
Yeah, I know what you mean. That sounds like a good idea. I think that would be ideal. And then when you make a lot of money from just day trading, it'll kind of replace your main income.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. You're in the right path, because right now I've only started like day trading with real money, and I'm already like making almost close to the amount I make from YouTube per day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so good.
It's insane. Maybe one day I'll have to get a manager to handle YouTube and then I do day trading full time. There's already like students, they say, because they're like finishing school and all that, and they're already making that amount of money. It's a massive amount. They don't feel the need to go to any job because day trading is what they do.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Because I feel like if I'd done that with like my university, like student funding, I would have been in a better position to do that. But still, like I don't know, because even then, I feel like I would still need to have at least 5,000, probably like as a starter.
Yeah, a couple of thousands to begin with.